Prior to going back to Rockingham, you said you had been at some type of restaurant.
Right.
And there was some drinking going on?
Yes.
And you have told us that you had some problems with alcohol in the past.
Yes.
At that time, were you also still drinking?
I was drinking at that time, yes.
Do you recall what your state of sobriety was that night?
I had had a few drinks.
Could you tell us how much you had to drink, if you recall?
Oh, I don't recall how many drinks, no.
And how would you describe your consumption of alcohol?
I said I had a problem.
That week, the New York Times describes Denise Brown as a compelling witness who was pale and tearful and gave a chilling account. The Los Angeles Sentinel, a newspaper that largely serves the African-American community and covers the trial from the defense team's perspective, calls Denise Brown a drunk in their headline.
I believe what the reporter from the Sentinel was saying. I believe it was his objective opinion. But he also comes with a life's realization of the way the black community is treated and the way news
My cats really love each other.
reported on what goes on in the black community.
Central to the prosecution's case is the timeline.
Kind of nice to watch
It
them,
begins
how they
what
interact with
happened
each
earlier
other.
in the day of the murders.
I know that when one of them gets into trouble, that the other one has put them up to
On
it.
that day, was a recital held for your niece, Sydney?
Yes, it was.
That's
And
what
when
I
he
tell
greeted
them.
you and your sister Dominique and your parents, what was his demeanor?
He had a very faraway look. It was
Good
it was
kitties.
actually really kind of spooky. It was a frightening look.
So did you turn around and look at him during the time that he was sitting behind you?
Yeah, I talked to him.
Did he appear happy and cheerful?
No. Not at all.
Mrs. Garvey, when you walked into the recital auditorium,